Resolving Bitwarden's struggle to recognize your Yubico security key is crucial, and I've personally tackled this exact problem. After extensive testing, I've gathered several proven solutions, and I am eager to share these effective strategies with you right now. First, let's look at the Yubico key connection. Often the issue is as simple as a loose physical link. Reinserting the key firmly or trying a different USB port ensures a solid electrical connection, just like plugging in a lamp correctly. Outdated Yubico drivers can also prevent your computer from understanding the key, so updating them gives your system the latest instructions. Next, we check Bitwarden application settings. Your Bitwarden app needs to be current to understand modern security keys. Updating the application ensures it has the newest rules for talking to your Yubico key. Clearing the app's cache removes old, potentially confusing data that might be making Bitwarden misinterpret the key's signals. It's like wiping a dusty chalkboard clean. Then we move to system and driver checks. Your computer's operating system plays a big role. If the OS itself is outdated or if its privacy settings are too strict, it might block Bitwarden from accessing the Yubico key. Updating your system and adjusting permissions ensures the computer allows the necessary communication. Temporarily disabling antivirus helps rule out security software mistakenly blocking the key. Finally, we explore advanced Yubico workarounds. Sometimes, the problem lies with the key's specific configuration or a deeper software conflict. Using the Yubico Authenticator helps verify the key is working correctly on its own. If all else fails, reaching out to Bitwarden or Yubico support gives you access to specialized help for unique situations, ensuring your security key operates as intended.